Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to make hard reset for your headphones Bowers and Wilkins PX7 using application. You have to start by open the application and now go to settings. Then click on your headphones at the top and scroll down. Click on factory reset and reset now. Now click OK and hide the application, go to settings, connected devices or Bluetooth if you have iOS. Then click the settings icon or information icon. Forget this device, forget device. Now we should pairing them, so click pair new device and click on it at the device list. Pair. Cool. Now hide the settings and open the application. Go to settings again here, start setup. Now slide up power button. And then click done. We did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!